What are you telling international players looking at Pakistan right now, because there's a lot of concern about the debt obligations also coming up?
Yep, exactly. We are going to have debt obligations next month and month after. And
are you going to be able to make that?
We have requested Secretary General today. We have spoken to European leaders and other leaders to help us in Paris Club, to get us moratorium, relief. Unless we get substantial relief, how can the world expect from us to stand on our own feet? It is simply impossible, next to impossible. The world has to stand by us. And there is a yawning gap between our ask and what is available. Please, through your cameras, have this yawning gap bridged, and bridged very quickly at lightning speed. Otherwise, time and tide wait for none.
Debt swaps, debt suspensions, are those in discussions right now?
In the shape of epidemic. It is waiting for us. Please help us in avoiding this disaster. If God forbid that happens, then all hell will break.
Who's helping you right now? We know that a lot. You have very friendly countries,
all
especially.
Hell will break.